Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man tabi'ahu bi ihsanin ila yawmiddin. You're welcome back, brothers and sisters in Islam. So this is the module 2 of the book Durus al Arabiya. It is not the lesson 2, however, it is the module 2 of this particular lesson. So we stopped here from the last lesson, so which is now we are now moving on to man hadha. Okay, man hadha. So as we all know, first, so if this is the first time that you are joining, please go back and watch the first lesson. Is on our channel, the first lesson, then you can proceed with this. Okay, because this is hierarchical, you need to watch the first before you start with the second. Okay, so in the last lesson, the Mu'allif talked to us about ma, so what, which is ma, to ask question. So in Arabic language, what, so ma hadha, and he talked to us about ismu ishara lil qarib, the word that we use to point to something that is near, hadha, this. So now we are moving on to man hadha. So before I read it for you guys and you read it back to me before I read it, because that's the way we'll be doing it. Okay, and I think it will be much more faster if I'm reading it along the way and I'm also giving you the meaning. So I'll just read it and I'll stop a little, I'll pause a little, you also read it with me, then I'll tell you the meaning. Okay, inshallah. Now, so man hadha, you can see before we have ma hadha. Now we are saying man hadha. Man is used for a person, or let me say something that has brain, that can differentiate between something that has brain. Okay, so let me not say a living thing. So if you just say a living thing, if it is used for a living thing, you cannot use man for any animal except a human being that has brain. Like, what am I saying? A brain is different from sense. What I mean is sense. Sorry, what I mean is sense. Something that has sense, like that, like a human being. Let's just say it like that. So we use man for that. So in fact, in Arabic language, if someone tells you, maybe you knocked on the door like in a very rude manner, all right, and they said that and they just used that particular ma for you. They used ma. You've seen ma before, right? So ma is used legoiri akil. It is used for those that doesn't have sense. So man is used for someone that has sense. So if you knocked on the door and they said man bilbab, who is at the door, they are talking to someone that has sense. But out of frustration, if you are just knocking back, banging on the door and just say ma bilbab, like the word can mean that they are saying what is is at the door, like what person that doesn't have sense is at the door. You can see, like, Arabic is very, 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 very deep. Okay, so man hadha, man. So we have ma and we have man. Ma is used for the legoiri akil, those that doesn't have sense, and man is used for who? Man is used for those that have sense, like a human being. Okay, so we have man hadha. Who is this? You can see ma hadha. Ma means what, so this is saying who is this, who. Okay, man hadha, who is this? Hadha tabibun. Hadha tabibun. This is a doctor. This is a doctor. Man hadha. Hadha waladun. Hadha waladun. This is a boy. Walad. Walad in Arabic language, this is for your level actually. Walad in Arabic language might even mean a girl. Okay, but let's just accept that at this stage it is still a boy. هذا ولد, this is a boy. من هذا, who is this? هذا طالب, هذا طالب, this is a student. Now you can see the difference between tabib and talib. A lot of people that I've taught in the past always make this mistake. They always make this mistake one for each other. Tabibun is doctor, talibun is a student. Okay, now he is asking, ahadha waladun? If you remember, I said this hamza, once it is in front of a sentence, it is for asking something that is not clear, which is called hamzatul istifhamiyya. It is used to for talabul fahm, for you to be able to understand something. Now he said ahadha waladun, is this a boy? Now he's talking about this image. Is this a boy? Okay, now he responded and he said la, no. Hadha rajulun, this is a man. As we can see, this is not a image of a boy, this is a man. He said la, hadha rajulun, this is a man. Now moving on. Ma hadha, as you can see, may Almighty Allah put barakah in the affairs of the mu'allif. He brought back again this ma for you to know that it is different from man. Ma is different from man. He said ma hadha, what is this? Hadha masjidun, this is a mosque. Can you see? We used ma for something that does not have sense, like a masjid. It does not have any brain or sense. Okay, now he said waman, man hadha, who is this? Hadha tajirun, this is a trader. A trader is tajir. Hadha tajirun, this is a trader. Please, all these new words you need to know, you need to memorize them. Tajir, what have we seen before? Okay, we are saying rajulun, new word. New word is tabibun, waladun, talibun, rajulun. You have to memorize all these words. Then we have tajir also, a trader. Okay, man hadha, hadha tajirun, this is a trader. Hadha kelbun, hadha kelbun, this is a dog. Ahadha kelbun, is this a dog? Like you can see again, hamzatul istifhamiyya in front of the sentence. You can see it is from this sentence, there is no question mark there because it's just is a clause. Now I say hadha kelbun, this is a dog. Simple. Now he's trying to ask, ahadha kelbun, is this a dog? Now response, la, hadha kittun, no, this is a cat. So kittun bima'na cat. Kittun means cat. Kelbun means dog. Okay. Hadha himarun. Hadha himarun. This is a donkey. Ahadha himar. Ahadha himar. Is this a donkey? La, no. Hadha hisanun. This is a horse. So himarun is a donkey, hisanun is a horse. So wama hadha, as you can see, he used ma. You see, wow, this particular wa that is in the front of this sentence, it is used for a conjunctive sentence. It is to complete a chain of sentence that has been coming, or let me just say in a conjunction word. Okay, like and. We have talked about everything from the top, then we want to finalize it. We now say wama hadha, and what is this? Now we respond and said hadha jamalun, this is a camel. This is a camel. Ma hadha, What is this? هذا ديك. This is a cock. Like that is the male of the male hen. So this is a cock. Man هذا. Who is this? As you can see, man is used for who? For someone that is, that has brain, that has sense. هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. مدرس, teacher. أهذا قميص. Is this a shirt? Is this a shirt? لا, no. هذا منديل. This is an handkerchief. This is an handkerchief. Or we can say maybe a towel or anything like that. Okay, so let us read it one more time. Now with this time I'll be much more faster with it. من هذا. Who is this? من هذا. Who is this? هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. من هذا. Who is this? هذا ولد. This is a boy. من هذا. Who is this? هذا طالب. This is a student. أهذا ولد. Is this a boy? لا, no. هذا رجل. This is a man. ما هذا. What is this? هذا مسجد. This is a mosque. من هذا. Who is this? هذا تاجر. This is a trader. هذا كلب. This is a dog. أهذا كلب. Is this a dog? لا, no. هذا كت. This is a cat. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. أهذا حمار. Is this a donkey? لا, no. هذا حصان. This is a horse. وما هذا. And what is this? هذا جمل. This is a camel. ما هذا. What is this? هذا ديك. This is a cock. من هذا. Who is this? هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. أهذا قميص. Is this a shirt? You can see قميص is a shirt. Okay. لا. He said no. هذا منديل. This is an handkerchief. Now we have tamrin, which I said it is called exercise. The mu'allif said اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. So you have to read this. You have to write this out. This is the first test, or let me say assignment. So you read and you write it out. Then you put the proper sign on top. ما هذا. هذا قلم. القلم is a pen. So هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا كلب. This is a dog. من هذا. Who is this? هذا طبيب. You put the appropriate sign. After you have memorized it, then you attempt this. هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. هذا جمل. This is a camel. أهذا كلب. Is this a dog? لا, no. هذا كت. This is a cat. أهذا ديك. Is this a cock? Is this a cock? نعم. He said yes. أهذا حصان. Is this a horse? لا, no. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. هذا منديل. This is an handkerchief. أهذا ولد. Is this a boy? نعم. Yes. من هذا. Who is this? هذا رجل. This is a man. So this is what you go ahead and do. So just go ahead and read this at the same time you write it out for you to be able to better comprehend what the mu'allif is saying. So for the last time, let me read the tamrin for you so that you can better know it much more. So اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. ما هذا. What is this? هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا كلب. This is a dog. من هذا. Who is this? هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. هذا جمل. This is a camel. أهذا كلب. Is this a dog? لا, no. هذا كت. This is a what? This is a cat. أهذا ديك. Is this a, you can see hamzatul istifhamiyya. أهذا ديك. Is this a cock? نعم. Yes. أهذا حصان. Is this a horse? لا, no. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. هذا منديل. This is an handkerchief. أهذا ولد. Is this a boy? نعم. Yes. من هذا. Who is this? هذا رجل. This is a man. So inshallah, in the next lesson we'll continue, and we will continue with our lesson in the next class. So I pray Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes us understand it much more than we have explained, and also make this particular knowledge a beneficial knowledge to us. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.